This book is being read with permission from HarperCollins Publishers.
Hello, my reading friends. It's Awnie. Thank you for coming to read with me. Are you ready for a fun Christmas story? It's a magical time of year, and Little Blue Truck is spreading Christmas cheer by delivering Christmas trees to all of his animal friends. Can you help count each green tree? Let's find out as we read Little Blue's Christmas. If you have a copy, go get it so you can read along with me.
Like and subscribe to Awnie's house.
Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Written by Schertle. Illustrated by Jill McElmurry. Beep, beep, beep! December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. I've got a question for you, reading friends. What season is the month of December in the Northern Hemisphere? If you said winter, you're right. Look at all that snow on the ground. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Can you guess what Little Blue's going to be delivering? I think you've got this one. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? What's your guess? Let's see if you're right. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 4 plus 1 more equals 5. If you guessed 5 trees would fit, you were right. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue's ready to head out. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Can you guess which of Blue's friends might need Christmas trees? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Which tree did Goose choose, and why do you think she wanted it? Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Which one did Cow choose, and why do you think she chose it? Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Pig chose the one he liked the best. Which one was it, and why do you think he wanted it? Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. Why do you think Goat chose his tree? 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left, what very good luck. What do you think will happen with the last tree? Let's find out. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Blue and each one of his animal friends got the perfect tree for them. I hope you enjoyed our story today. Merry Christmas!